Good morning. This is Sherry Daly speaking. I can't seem to get my camera to go both ways, so here I am. Nice to see you. And this is my studio in my garage and some of the work I've been working on this week. The painting there was actually giving me ideas for a larger painting. The two paintings in the corner were also developed from small, very quick starts that I did one day. It takes a lot longer to put paint on a bigger surface. This is also one that's in production now. So I put the dramatic black shape on, mostly with stamping actually. That helps me get a more random shape. And then I've been playing with other marks on top, and then those sort of geometric shapes in the bottom. Just it seemed to need something more interesting to go with it, so I think it's about maybe half done. I've got a board waiting to be worked on, and I've got this piece, so I'm not sure if I will try and get the smaller board to match the larger piece, or if both of them will change. And this is my area in my garage. Luckily we have a rather large garage, and I can look out, and although we do have deer nearby, they don't usually come this close, so mostly I'm lucky just to have the woods outside my garage door. Thank you for joining me on my little studio tour in Muskoka.